You're not failing because your idea is bad. You're failing because not enough people are seeing it. Even the best paid community in the world will sit empty if you don't have a clear growth strategy behind it. Posting about it a few times on social media and hoping people will sign up is not a strategy. It's wishful thinking. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to grow your paid community to 1,000 members faster than most people think is possible. You'll learn how to use both organic and paid marketing strategies in a simple, effective way. I'll walk you through how to build interest, increase conversions, keep members engaged, and create systems that bring in new paying members consistently. These are the same methods that successful creators, coaches, and business owners are using right now to build communities that actually grow. The first thing you need to understand is that people don't pay to be part of just another group. They pay for clarity. They pay for results. They pay because they want to move from where they are right now to where they want to be. That's the core reason any paid community grows. If people don't see a clear reason to join, they won't. So you need to start by getting brutally clear about what your paid community actually offers. A paid community should be built around a clear promise, not a vague idea like grow your business or become your best self. Those phrases sound nice, but don't say anything. Instead, focus on the outcomes someone will achieve by being part of your group. That outcome must be something they already want. You don't need to convince people to want success, health, freedom, or growth. You just need to show them that your community is a shortcut to get there faster or more effectively. Let's use a practical example. If you run a paid community for freelance writers, don't just say, "This is a space to network with other writers." Instead, say, "This community will help you land your first $1,000 writing client within 30 days using proven templates, live coaching, and client feedback sessions." That tells me exactly what I'll get, how fast, and how the community helps me do it. Once your offer is clear, the next step is building your member journey. This means mapping out what happens from the moment someone hears about your community to the point where they become an active, paying member who invites others. Your member journey needs to have steps that build trust, show proof, and invite people to take action. You can use social media, email sequences, free challenges, or live events to warm people up. The goal is to build interest slowly so that when you ask for the sale, it feels natural, not pushy. If you're starting from scratch, begin by building a simple funnel. At the top, you create content that gets attention, like short videos, threads, or blog posts. In the middle, you give something valuable away for free, like a checklist, a guide, or a mini course. This builds your email list. At the bottom, you introduce your community and explain why it's the best next step. Let's break that down some more. Let's say you're running a paid community for beginner investors. You post a short video on YouTube called 3 Dividend Stocks That Pay You Monthly. At the end of the video, you offer a free downloadable PDF called My Monthly Income Portfolio Blueprint. To get the guide, they enter their email. Then, over the next few days, they get a series of emails that show them how the blueprint works, share a success story from one of your community members, and end with an invitation to join your group. This funnel approach works because it doesn't ask for a sale up front. It builds trust by giving value first. And the better your free offer is, the more likely someone is to believe your paid community will be worth it. Now, if you want to grow to 1,000 members fast, you can't rely on one funnel alone. You need multiple ways for people to discover and enter your world. This is where growth loops become powerful. A growth loop is a system where every new member has a built-in reason and tool to bring in another member. Think about referral programs. But instead of just giving people a discount for inviting friends, you turn referrals into part of the community experience. For example, offer a special badge, early access to training, or a private coaching call for anyone who brings in 3 new members. Make the reward something that helps them get the results they joined for in the first place. You also want to reduce the friction to refer. That means creating referral links, giving members simple scripts they can copy and send to friends, and reminding them that referrals are welcome. You can use tools like Rewardful or First Promoter to track referrals. The point is not to overcomplicate it. Make it easy and make it rewarding. But none of this works if people aren't finding you in the first place. So let's talk about organic traffic. This is the free traffic that comes from social media, search engines, and content sharing. The key to organic traffic is consistency and clarity. You need to show up often, and you need to talk about one thing. Don't confuse your audience by switching topics every week. Focus all your content on the core problem your community solves. That makes it easier for people to remember what you do and for the right people to find you. If your paid community is for busy moms who want to meal prep healthy food in under 20 minutes, your content should always connect to that. Share tips about fast recipes, family budgeting, kid-friendly meals, and how to save time. In every piece of content, lead people back to your free offer or your community waitlist. Here's a powerful strategy that works right now. Short-form video with a hook, tip, and call to action. Start with a question or bold statement, then deliver a practical tip, and end by pointing people to your link or email list. For example, most moms waste 10 hours a week deciding what to cook. Here's how to prep 5 dinners in under 30 minutes. If you want the full plan, join my free challenge. Link in bio. If video isn't your thing, use written content. Twitter threads, LinkedIn posts, Medium articles, and even Reddit comments can drive traffic. What matters is that your content solves problems and shows what kind of transformation your community offers. As traffic grows, build urgency with a limited time offer. Open enrollment once a month, or limit your community to a certain number of new members each time. This creates demand. People value what isn't always available. Just make sure the limit is real. False scarcity ruins trust. Now let's move to paid strategies. Paid ads can grow your community fast, but only if you're already converting people organically. Don't run ads if your messaging isn't clear, or if your onboarding isn't working. Fix those first. Start with a small test budget. Run simple ads that point to a free lead magnet, not directly to the paid group. This lowers the risk and helps you build your email list at the same time. Once people are on your list, use emails to educate, build trust, and invite them into the community. Video ads perform well, especially if they're casual and genuine. You don't need studio quality. Just explain what your community helps with, share a member's success story, and invite people to join the waitlist. You can also retarget people who visit your site but don't join using Facebook, Instagram, or Google Ads. Make sure to track your cost per lead and your conversion rate. If 100 people join your email list and 10 become paying members, that's a 10% conversion. If each member pays $40 per month and stays for 3 months, your average revenue is $120 per person. That means you can afford to spend $30 to $40 to acquire each new member and still be profitable. Scaling is just repeating what works. Once your ads are converting, increase the budget slowly. Don't jump from $20 per day to $200. Grow it 20 to 30% at a time and watch the performance. Paid traffic works best when it's paired with strong organic content and a community that delivers value. Finally, don't forget retention. The easiest way to grow is to keep the people you already have. Most communities lose members because the experience goes stale or feels one-sided. You need to keep people engaged. That starts with onboarding. When someone joins, they should feel welcomed immediately. Send a personal video message. Guide them through the first steps. Encourage them to post. Pair them with an accountability buddy if that fits your model. Then, build weekly habits inside your group. Host live calls, run challenges, share wins, ask for feedback, and act on it. People leave when they feel invisible. They stay when they feel heard, valued, and supported. Over time, your community becomes the best marketing tool you have. Members talk about it. They share their progress online. They bring friends. That's when you know it's working. To wrap this up, here's the process in one sentence. Build a community around a clear promise, create systems that bring people in consistently, keep them engaged, and give them a reason to stay and share. That's how you go from 0 to 1,000 paying members and beyond. Keep showing up, keep improving, and treat your community like the business it is. Because if you do, it can become your most valuable asset. What are some methods that you're using at the moment to grow your paid community? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful or interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.